What's up, everybody? Twisted M Living with a live from the campsite unboxing. Falls Lake State Recreation Area. This is Holly Point Campground. There's actually two campgrounds at Falls Lake. Holly Point and Rolling View, which is closer to Durham. But this is our unboxing of our Blackstone 17-inch tabletop griddle. If you watch any camping videos on YouTube or listen to any blogs, everybody talks about these. So I've been wanting one, and happened to see this at Walmart of all places. Before, I'd only seen them on Amazon and some camping stores, but this was actually at Walmart. This is the 17-inch, and it was only $74. $74 for a Blackstone. The only difference I can tell from the ones you see all the vlogs about is the cup to catch the drain cup is not in the front on this one. It's in the back. But it says new patent pending rear grease management system. So I don't know if this is a new model or if this is old stock that they're just trying to get rid of at Walmart. I don't know. So if you know, comment down below if you know the difference. Is this the new version or is this the old version? But I couldn't pass it up for $74. So let's unbox it. We'll show you what comes with it, and I'll show you how to set it up. Alright, so let's cut her open and see what all we have got. I'm excited. For those of you that aren't familiar with Blackstone, they are actually gas heated griddles. So it's like your regular griddle, but this way you don't have to find an electrical outlet or figure out a way to plug it in. It's actually gas. So instruction book, gas burner is. Can't get that out. I guess I'd take the whole thing out. Works really well. I'm gonna get my lovely assistant KK to move the box for me. Alright. So this is your regulator and your connection for your Coleman tank, or they do make an adapter so you can hook it up to a 20-gallon propane tank. I have that, but I forgot it, so I'm going to be showing you how to hook it up to Coleman this way. And then styrofoam. Oh, two pieces of plastic. So here is the griddle part. And it is cast iron. Looks like it's already been seasoned some, but I'll put a new season on it. And then here is the actual burner itself. And make sure you take everything out before you turn it on. Because I have seen articles from people where they melted some of the stuff inside and turned the gas on and forgot to take it out. So there is stuff packaged down in here. And there is your burner. Your controls, burner with electronic igniter, and then your regulator. Just goes right there. And that's pretty much it. This is your grease trap. I'm interested to see how this is different. So the feet actually go on the bottom right there to make it tabletop, so that it's not sitting flat on the table. And there's 4 of them in the box. Sing amongst yourselves. So there's that. This is the heavy part. So there's slots for this just to sit down in. Just like that. Hooks on the back right there, and the spout still pours in it. Very cool. So like I said, I don't know if this is the new version of the Blackstone or if this is old stock they're trying to get rid of. So like I said, if you know, comment down in the description, because I had seen the ones where it's got the cup that goes in the front. But that's what it looks like. So you grab the Coleman propane bottle, spin it back around, and then that just screws in right there. And then you're ready to cook. Bacon, eggs, hamburgers. It's nice because it's a griddle and not just a grill, so there's like everything you can cook on it. So don't forget to subscribe for more camping stuff that we probably mess up, or you know, some sort of stuff we do right. So subscribe, give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to comment. Do you know, is this the new Blackstone or is this the old one? They're just selling old stock. But anyway, thanks for watching. See you next time. Twist it in.